preheating your lantern right now.
Shut the preheater off. Clean the knob out. I got a brake light. I'll add some pressure to it.